Let's see if the improved clinch knot is really stronger than the clinch knot. So on the right side of the board, first we're going to tie the improved clinch knot. And the improved clinch knot is going to have the orange fishing bead. 12 inches is the center of the board. The board is 24 inches long. So here's the center line. So we're going to put the line through the eye of the swivel and pull back 7 inches. We always do 5 twists when testing knots. This is 50-pound mono. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put the tag line through this loop near the swivel. Now we're going to bring the tag line back through this loop we just created. Snug it up. Now we're going to wet our fishing line. There you have the improved clinch knot. We're going to cut our tag, but we're going to leave about 1/4 inch of tag. Like that. Okay, now on the left side of the board, we're going to do the regular clinch knot with the green bead. Put the line through the eye of the swivel. Do 5 twists. With the line. Pull it tight. Once again, we're going to cut the tag and leave about 1/4 inch. All right, we got the 2 fishing knots centered at the center of the testing board. On the left, we have the clinch knot represented by the green bead. On the right, the improved clinch knot represented by the orange bead. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, here you can see on the left with the green bead, the clinch knot broke. And it broke at the knot, as you can tell here. The improved clinch knot is still good. The clinch knot broke. So the improved clinch knot is, in fact, a better knot than the clinch knot.